We're reporting today from the banks of the Tonle Sap in Cambodia, just across the river from Phnom Penh. We met up with New York photographer Laura Zetsko, who was looking to photograph some of the local boat people.
I've watched this from the other side of the river, always wondering about their life here, and then today I got to just be in it, in the water, on the boats, with the fishermen.
Boat people here are mostly ethnic Chams, Muslim remnants of an ancient empire. They have no permanent homes on land and relocate periodically to flee war and government persecution. Zetko was looking to capture their faces.
I love the features of people in Cambodia. It's very specific features.
Zetko found willing subjects for her photography, including these children. Boat people live here to be close to a local Muslim community where their children can play with local children at any hour. We spoke with one of Zetko's subjects, Mr. Soksopon. Zetko asked about his life. It's not an easy life for the boat people, but for now at least they have some stability in their lives here on the riverside. And for Zetko?
It was a Saturday.
From Phnom Penh, Cambodia, I'm Ben Weston. Thank you for watching.